guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to take a chance on this channel and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So I have Boxycharm Premium that came today and I have used the products. Aha! We're not doing like a first impression. I hope this works. Let's swatch on my hand today. Nope. I'm going to insert some clips in here and here we go. So Boxycharm is the $39.99. I think it's $39.99. Not just $39, $39.99. And you get 6 or 7 full-size items. They're supposed to be premium products, and the value is supposed to be $175 or more. So Boxycharm comes with a card. Look at me, I'm like, all right. Comes with a card, and on the back has the prices and information about the products. So let's see if it's worth it. Now, I was I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to go for it and not wait till the end. I was super excited to try this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Now, I have thoughts on it. It is a $44 foundation, I think. Yes, it is. It's supposed to be poreless looking. I'll tell you what. It's kind of watery, but overall, not bad. And I need to do some videos like with foundation and setting powder combinations, because you know how you can use a foundation then maybe a setting powder doesn't go with it, or use setting powder and it doesn't work with the foundation you have. Well, I can tell you this, the one size translucent powder, phenomenal. And I don't like one size. I actually gave all of these products when I got it from Trendmood away. I did. But this is phenomenal with this foundation. Yes. Okay, so the one size has a $30 value. I'm keeping that baby, definitely. Now. Okay, so I think we have oh yeah, I'm trying out a primer too before I get into the foundation. And the primer, there it is. It's the Ciate London brand. So this primer reminds me of the primer that I just tried with Ice Cream Beauty. It's like a lotion. So it just really takes the place of my moisturizer because it's not a primer in my opinion. If it doesn't, yeah, look at me. I'm like, it's a lotion. I need like a pore filling primer. And I feel like, this is the consistency of a moisturizer and it really just hydrated my skin. So I'm like, all right, I'll just put this on instead of the Tarte oil that I like to use to moisturize my skin. And then I will go on to putting the Benefit Professionals. My house is super chaotic right now. My son's in the background. He is an insurance adjuster, so he works from home. And he just recently moved back in not too long ago. I'm getting ready to do the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And I will put the shade on the screen or in the description box for you guys. But anyway, so I'm trying to watch Puppy, and I'm just like, okay, trying to get these videos done for you guys. And I'm so excited that I have this foundation. Then I go. All right, are we ready for some foundation? I'm going to put it on the back of my hands, and then I look down and I notice that it's sliding down my hand. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm not happy that it's kind of what looks like to be watery. And maybe I should have shaken it up, but I start applying it and it feels pretty good. I actually take my mirror and use the 5x magnification to see how well it blends. Not a lot of coverage. That's what I'm noticing. I'm like, all right. I'm used to the L'Oreal Infallible foundation or applying 2 coats of the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. That's my all-time favorite, but I've also been using the Makeup Forever. Lately, I've been trying so many different ones out. There's a certain combination that seems to work well, though. And this one, yes, I apply it. And now I'm going in with the one size setting powder in translucent.
It's pretty big. But I'm excited. And I did put on some concealer over the foundation. I did do 2 layers of the foundation, and it's not bad. It's okay. I mean, I like the finish that it gives. It definitely feels like a soft kind of finish, not too matte and not too dewy. I get my powder brush and I am just placing this all over, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. I did use the Ofra palette for blush, and look at this, just smoothed everything out, and I was so impressed and so excited. I could not believe it, and I was like, all right. I put on the Makeup Forever foundation the other day, and I put the Sourmé powder foundation over it, and it like erased my pores. And now this One Size translucent powder, I am shocked at how well it smoothed everything out. I'm doing a close-up for you guys. Let me insert it. So I'm thinking of putting together a video with foundations that work with certain setting powders, and I'm wondering if that's something you guys would be interested in.
Okay, I want to take time and talk to you guys. There's so much going on here right now. So I was getting ready to talk about this primer. It's like a moisturizer. So if you need something hydrating, you can actually skip the moisturizer and just go right in with this. Let me see what the value is. $32. I'm just not a big one. I get a lot of these lotions, these primers, and I just use them in place of a moisturizer and then go over with the Poreless Professional. That's one of the ones I like. Okay. So we have talked so far about the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, the setting powder, great combination. And then this here, I do have this on as well. So it worked as a moisturizer. I just went over it, like I said, with my professional. Hey, you two need to get along, okay? Let's see what else I got in here. Repeat item, Grace and Stella. The eye patches, I actually didn't even use these yet. I have a full thing of them. But I'm gonna start using them. I've got to use more of my products. I do have a shelf for my repeats over there for when I do like giveaways, or if I just feel like sending something to one of you, that kind of thing. All right, so this has a $24 value. Now, the only product I did not open is this one here. The Soam Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. Oh my gosh. I'm going to say it. I love Boxycharm Premium this month. I use glycolic acid. Most of you know that I'm on a journey of getting rid of the texture of my skin. And these things are amazing. I am curious on the percentage. Wait a minute. This thing just has a purple dot on it. Smooth pad over clean face, neck, and upper chest. It does not tell me anything else. Okay, let's read the box. Says the same thing. Ingredients. Soft cotton pads. Shut up! Unclogging blocked pores while delivering highly engineered vitamins, thus improving resiliency, hydration, and encouraging cell renewal. Okay, I'm all for it. I will definitely use these and update you guys. Let's just take a look at it real quick. It's probably got a seal, and I'm in the middle of using facial radiance pads. Okay, yeah. They are smoothing. I could see where... Ooh, this smells good. It would help resurfacing. So I think that's it, right? One more item. Hush! She talks back. Ather Beauty Big Bang. Is this a mascara? I think it's a mascara. Let me see. $28. Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara. Black Diamond Infused? That's interesting. Ooh, it's got like a little holographic packaging. Okay, I'm not going to open her. Because, I mean, you guys want to see the wand? Alright, I'll open her. So you can see the wand. Ooh, I'm glad I opened her. That's a little longer. And I like how the bristles, yeah, that's different. Okay, I'm going to have to start using her now that I opened it. So that's everything. Okay, let's quickly recap. the mascara, the eye pads, the facial radiance pads. Well, they're not first aid maybe, but you know, the resurfacing pads, the primer,
if you guys like have a profit margin, you just have to get the difference in the account holder. The contractors won't cover it with the brand MSRP.
Charlotte Tilbury, and one size powder. This is actually different too. Let me show you.
It could definitely be dealer on that.
It's got the little doohickey where you don't have to worry about getting powder everywhere when you open it. And then it's got the little one size thing in there. So not too much comes out at once. You can actually prevent that. So I'm super excited. I love this box. Do I know the total? No. But I will put the total on the screen for you and the variation just in case you guys are interested. Now, tell me your thoughts down in the comments below. Would you like me to do videos on which foundation and which setting powder works together? Would that be something that would help you guys? Let me know that. Let me know if you get Boxycharm and if you were happy with your premium, or if anything else you want to tell me, because I really do like hearing your feedback, and it does help me with future videos, and it helps me with future boxes on what I think I should purchase based upon the experiences that you guys have had. So thank you. Carolyn, you've been sharing so much with me. Janice, you've been sharing so much with me. I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like unboxings, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!